Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I installed these Acura RL brake calipers on my 9th Gen Civic Si. For those of you that don't know, these are the Acura RL 4-piston brake calipers. It is a nice OEM upgrade on your 9th Gen Civics or your 8th Gen Civics. This upgrade is very similar to a TL Type S brake caliper, but for this one, you just need an adapter to mount these on the car versus drilling into the knuckle. I opted out for this option because I didn't want to drill into the knuckle, and just in case I want to switch over back to stock, which I highly doubt I will, I can. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. Alright guys, in order to do this upgrade, you will need these parts. So you guys will need the calipers from 2005 to 2012 Acura RL. You can find these at your local junkyard. I found mine specifically off Craigslist. So these are the OEM hardware. I just cleaned and polished them up. Next up, you will need the 350Z Brembo rotors, not the base. You will need the Fastbrakes RL caliper adapter kit for your 9th Gen Civic. I'll link these in the description below in case you guys are interested in checking these out. They do have other kits for other cars as well. And I'll be running the OEM RL pads for now. So these are the main parts that you will need in order to get the Acura RL calipers on your 9th Gen Civic. It doesn't require any special tools. Your hand tools will do the job. Let's go and get to it. So here's a quick comparison of the rotors. On the left we have the OEM rotor, and on the right we have the 350Z Brembo rotor. And as you can see, the 350Z rotor is significantly larger in diameter. So this is the adapter bracket from Fastbrakes. There are 4 mounting holes on this bracket. The 2 smaller holes will go against the knuckle, and the 2 bigger mounting holes will be used to mount the RL caliper. Make sure you have the 2 bigger mounting holes furthest away from the rotor when you go to install. So the 2 longer bolts in the Fastbrakes kit will bolt the RL calipers onto the bracket. Make sure to apply threadlocker before installing. Alright, so here's the caliper. Let's go and get it installed.
Next up, I'm going to remove the old banjo bolt from the old caliper and install the new banjo bolt from Fastbrakes on the RL caliper. This process will be messy, so I do suggest having a towel or a drain tray ready.